This is a typical IT job search screen where we type in the basics of what we're looking for. For example, I might be looking for a Java developer. So I would select Java developer, do a search. And as you can see, the search has brought back a mixture of the word developer and Java. So you have developer, Perl developer, Java developer, which is what we're looking for, senior Java developer, graduate web and mobile developer. So anything with the word developer or Java in it might bring up. That's fairly typical of a search engine. The problem we address through job mapping is simply accuracy. First of all, we don't worry about the word Java and developer. It's not of no interest to us, simply because there are 10 different types of Java developers. So just putting Java developer is a pointless exercise. What is required is what type of Java developer are you looking for? A JSP, JFP, Java Beans, one of the many different types, and that can be identified through certification. IT job mapping, we've invented a simple tool that will bring your consultants light years ahead in understanding the IT business. Here at Job Mapping, we've invented a tool to help the recruitment IT consultant do his job more efficiently, even if they know nothing about the IT industry. It's easy to use. You simply select the vendor that you're recruiting for. In this case, we're going to recruit for a Cisco engineer. You select Cisco, it then presents you with the actual certified people that are within Cisco. In this chart along the top, you have the levels: entry level, an associate, a professional, an expert and an architect. And then down this side you have the different products that Cisco work in and the different areas. So for example, if it's a data center person, they may have a CNA in data center management, and then they can increase that to a CCNP and then a CCIE. Okay, and as you can see here, there's lots of CCIEs down here and CCNPs and CCNAs, but they're all in different areas. Okay, and that's when you speak to your client, what area do you want a CCIE in? Do you want them in security or service provider operations or routing and switching? If they say routing and switching, then you simply click on this certification here, because you've got an expert in routing and switching. You simply select that person, and then Job Mappings will publish that job wherever it's the location for it is. And as you can see here, the job title is CCI routing and switching, and the person who is doing that role will know that that's what he is. I'm a CCI in routing and switching, therefore I want one of these jobs. We could do that again. For example, if it was a Microsoft engineer they're looking again, this time it would bring up the Microsoft engineer. And as you can see here, there are different types of MSCEs. There they are, 5 of them. And they're on different business streams, some on database, some on server. So you can be specific with your client as to which MSC they want. And once you click on that, again, you'll be advertising a job that suits them. And then they see desktop infrastructure. For your consultants to accurately place a job, they simply log into this to your account, select the vendor. You'll be given the same map as the candidate sees. You then select the certification. So I want somebody who's a CCIE and voice. You select that. You can then simply put in the salary. Put in a job description. Location, the country, the city. there we have it. That is now uploaded onto your map. But it's an accurate loading. It's an accurate job description. It's exactly what the guy does because he's certified in it. And we can now see that the job we just advertised for the voice engineer. There's all the gobbledygook we put in. And we can click on here for the full details. And that's it. So you've added exactly what you're looking for, a CCIE in voice. Is change your typical search engine page like this to one that has this little bar here on it. And the thing is, we give you the code to do that, and you simply enter it into your page, which is a half a day's work, if that, which will then give you this part here and allow you then to book jobs into your system and have them searched by vendor set of. So to get this facility and feature for your website and the accuracy of displaying a job as the IT industry see it, only takes a small piece of code which we give you. And here is that piece of code, just here. So if you insert that into your website, you'll have the tool available to you and your consultants that I described and just showed you. And it takes you, what, 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do that. How long will it take your consultants to learn what I've just showed you? To get this tool for your business, simply register and we'll contact you. Changes to do in industry, but it starts with you. It starts with you using this tool and putting it on your website. Thank you for listening. My name's Louis Giboyne.